Welcome to this Sustainable Finance Lab Partner Day. I'm sorry about that. A bit loud, perhaps. Anyway, Malin and me, we're going to introduce this day, and I'll give the floor to you first, Malin.
Yeah, thank you. Yes, good morning, everyone, and welcome to Sustainable Finance Lab Partner Day 2025. So we have an exciting program today, but first I would like to take the opportunity to say a few words about who we are and what we have accomplished so far. The Sustainable Finance Lab is a national research center in Sweden, and we are connecting academia and industry to support the transition towards sustainable finance. And we are a transdisciplinary initiative established to transform financial markets and contribute to the broader goals of sustainable development. And our aim is to generate scientific insights that can support real-world financial practice. And at the heart of this is our commitment to environment, equity, and economics. And we do this together with our industry partners to co-create knowledge that can make a transformation. And who are we? We are a collaboration between 6 universities and research institutes, including KTH, Luleå University of Technology, IVL, the Swedish Environmental Research Institute, University of Gothenburg, Stockholm School of Economics, Stockholm Resilience Center, Stockholm University, and the Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences. And we work together with our industry partners, and we truly value your participation and support. And now some words about our achievements so far. And in research, this is what we have produced so far. Since 2021, the Sustainable Finance Lab has published an impressive 190 academic publications. And 57 of these have been published in top-tier academic journals. And half of these involve multidisciplinary authorship, something that we are very proud of. And alongside these articles, we also published 4 significant academic books in major themes on sustainable finance. And you can find these publications on our website. And over the years, we also delivered 60 keynote speeches and research seminars. We have been privileged to share the platforms with some of the most influential institutions globally, like the World Academic Forum and the World Biodiversity Forum. And today we hold 28 academic expert roles in scientific advisory boards, editorial boards, and high-level steering committees. And SFL is also expanding. We have been able to raise an additional 85 million crowns for SFL-related research projects. And our research production is only one side of the story. Equally important is how we are bringing these insights into real-world conversations. And over the years, we have delivered 99 impact presentations and seminars at, for instance, Hållbart Näringsliv, Almedalsveckan, Svesif, the Swedish Parliament, and the Swedish Climate Policy Council. And SFL researchers have also written several opinion pieces and been interviewed extensively in major news outlets, including, for instance, Dagens Industri, Dagens Nyheter, SVT and P1, and internationally in Forbes, Euronews, and more, in total 145 pieces. And a major measure of impact is how we are invited into leadership and expert roles. And today we hold 20 positions across industry and policy advisory bodies. And we teach in educational programs and courses that now have a larger component of sustainable finance. And it's this kind of embedded engagement that makes our work actionable and help bridge research, practice, and policy, knowledge, and impact. And with these words, turn to you.
That's really impressive, Malin.
Isn't it?
It is. So this is the program for today. And first off, we will start with Professor David Langlet. And Beatrice will moderate later on. And then will be a short leg stretcher. And then we will hear about the research pitches from SFL researchers, politicization of ESG, staying green while simplifying sustainable reporting, making consumer credit markets great again, modern slavery and sustainable finance. And then we will hear, there will be a coffee break afterwards. And then we will hear Christine, who's in the room already. Great. And a panel discussion with Christine, with David and Anja, and Gareth. And then we have student awards. Of course, all students are winners, but we have picked 3, especially winning winners. And Eriksson will present that. And yes, we will move on now. And but at first, we're very proud and honored to have all these magnificent partners in our fold in the Sustainable Finance Lab. But there are 3 partners that we're especially grateful to, and those are the partners that are in our board. Anja, you joined us most recently. We're very grateful. Group Head of Sustainability at Nordea. And we have Thomas Tyblad, who is Head of Communications and ESG at Nasdaq. And Erik Eliasson, who is over there in the corner, Head of Responsible Investment at Danske Bank. You're the chair for the board of Sustainable Finance Lab, and you do a tremendous amount of work, and we're very grateful. So, please reach out to these board members, the partners, if you want to talk about involvement in Sustainable Finance Lab.